Now, I've been to quite a few coin shows. Steve's been to many, many more than myself, but we can both attest to the fact that we've spoken to numerous types of collectors like yourselves, and there are the type of people that collect a series one by one until they get a complete set. There's also the type of collector that, hey, I want the whole thing all at once, one price, one purchase, let's get it done. And tonight we have a complete Eisenhower set for that last big dollar ever made. The peace dollar ended in 1935, and then the Eisenhower ended in 1978. And tonight, all 32 available in one beautiful presentation. That's that very coveted Dansco album. And look at the price, just $349.95.
Again, when you say how many coins were made, that's the first shocker for most people on the Eisenhower. It was only made from 1971 to 1978, and then replaced by the first mini dollar, the Susan B. Anthony, in 1979. Now, again, in the early 70s, I still have my paper out when I was a kid, before my brother took over, and I hated getting this coin in circulation. It was big. I didn't have a thing for it on my coin dispenser that I wore on my belt, you know, the old nerdy belt thing. So it was big. I understood the reasoning that it's a cool dollar, but not really meant for circulating. Put 5 of these in your pocket, and paper money is an easier process. So I get why it weaned its way out. But most think it was, well, then 8 years. If it was 8 years and there was P's and D's in circulation, then there are 16 coins. Well, yeah, then there's the regular San Francisco proofs that for some reason didn't start until 1973. Add in 6 more. Now I'm at 22. How do you get 32?
Let's break down the components of this particular collection. You do have those 16 uncirculated Philadelphia and Denvers. Those are the ones that were made for circulation between 1971 and 1978. Of course, those 6 clad proofs, there's a 1977 and the 1978 right now. They were in the clad proof sets, but like Steve just referenced, only 1973 through 1978. 1971 through 1974, there were some special, what we call secrets. They only made them for collectors out of the San Francisco Mint in the silver, blue packs for the unks, brown packs for the proofs. So you have those in this collection as well. There's 10 silvers, but wait, that's only 8. 1976, another little secret that many people don't know about. They came out with special 3-piece sets, proof and uncirculated, for the bicentennial. Those are silvers as well. But that still doesn't equal 32. What else? What else do we have in here? In 1976, we have what's called the Type 1, Type 2, or right there, Variety 1, Variety 2, where 1975 sets didn't have the same dual date on the obverse, 75, 76. The only way to tell the difference is on the reverse, where they changed the typeface, so to speak, of the lettering on the reverse of the coin. Type 1, flat. Type 2, raised, narrow. Those are also included in here. So you have all of that.
Add it all together. It's 32 coins. Now look at our price. We're at $349.95 in the album. The albums sell for $29 to $39 if you can find them. That's just even on our site. We're out currently because we only have them in the set format like we have right here, right now. That means there are 32 coins and they're less than $10 a coin when you just do simple math on our purchase. Pull the album, $10 a coin, you got it. If you add up our competition, a whole different story. Now look at that page. You can tell the silvers versus the clads, right? The clad proof in the middle, the silver right next to it. Night and day look and feel. It's just there. But Ali expressed something that most people didn't know. The bicentennials were dual dated. The $quarters identical. Made for 2 years. But the Eisenhower, it was our largest bicentennial coin in circulation. Noticeable difference. That reverse was flat. It was ugly. It's like, you gotta be kidding me. They call that Variety 1. P's and D's were done that way. And the proofs were done that way. But not the silvers. And when we turn it over, you can see the detail here in a minute. Totals to 32 coins in all. Our competition, $412.90. That's just for the silver proofs. 5 coins. We're less than that. The silver unks, $284. The regular proofs, $150. Over 400. Ours are all of them and less. Just the P's and the D's by themselves. Those 16 coins put in the circulation. They're at $558. We are $200 less, and we have all 32. It's just an amazing opportunity for that complete set, as Ali referenced earlier. Now you're noticing right there how the one on the left is flat lettering and the one on the right is very detailed. Right there. That is a 75, that is a 76. Variety 1, Type 1, Variety 2, Type 2. Big difference, obvious difference, and those are also included here. So there's 8 Ps, 8 Ds, 6 S clads, 5S San Francisco uncirculated, 5S uncirculated silver proofs. They're way over 1,000. We're $349.95 tonight.
Yeah, we did find a complete set with our competition. They're at over $1,100. Again, we're at $349.95. That's a savings of over $770 for the same exact coins.
It's like a 1/3 BOGO. Yeah. That's actually, you can't even do that. But the bottom line is we're 1/3 of the price.
Yeah.
Buy one, get one. You can buy one, get one, and have enough money for a third with us. Unfortunately, our quantities don't. The phones are very busy right now. Thank you while I'm rambling. avccoins.com is the place to be all the time. 24/7, 365. Just when you land on our site, the search bar on our site, put in 905-1416, one of our original item numbers here in AVC way over a decade ago when we took over talking about coins for the network. And look at our price. It looks like the price is from a decade ago compared to our competition where they're over 1,000. $349.95, everybody, and it's assembled for you.
And includes the key date, which is, of course, it would include the key date. If you get every coin ever made in the series, that key date being that 73 silver proof with a mintage of only 1 million. They only made 1 million coins, and you get that. How much, you probably know off the top of your head how much our competition sells just that coin alone for?
143. So we take the 73 silver proof and 73 silver unk. They're over $200 just for the 2 coins.
2 coins.
So the other 30 coins are here as well. Right. Of which 8 of them are silver.
In the presentation, you're getting, again, 16 uncirculated coins for regular issue, the 6 clad proofs from the proof sets, those 10 silvers, the blue Ikes, the brown Ikes, plus the 76 bicentennials. All in all, 32 coins. We do have to put a 30-second clock up, though, please. Thank you for calling us on this one. Everybody loves this, like I referenced. Some people want to hunt one by one and fill a complete set over time, which is wonderful. It's a wonderful hobby to be part of. But some people say, hey, you know what? I want them all at once. But some people say, I'm both. And for this price where I'm going to save over $770, I might as well just get it while I can at this low price while it's available.
It doesn't take away the drive we all have as collectors, the great American coin hunt, going coin by coin to assemble and put together these beautiful collections. But our competition, as you referenced, are over $1,100 to take on that journey. So no corners being cut, just saving a ton of money tonight with us. Look at our price, $349.95, the lowest price on the airwaves. We're proud of it. Join us.